Hi everyone, welcome back to Style by Ryder. I'm Lauren. I take vintage, thrifted, and designer pieces that I've collected and mix and match and play around with my style. If that sounds good to you, please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And follow my Instagram at stylebylryder for more fashion content. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my process of how I get my wardrobe ready for a new season. So I have my trusty rolling rack here, which I absolutely love. And I pull out key pieces from my closet that are inspiring me at the moment and put them on my rolling rack at the start of a new season. That way I can look and see what I feel like wearing every day and get inspired. I'm a very visual person, so I definitely like seeing everything out on my rolling rack here and mixing and matching and playing around with the different pieces. I think it makes it really easy to put together an outfit when you have it laid out this way. I got this rolling rack actually when I needed more space for storage, but found that it's a useful tool in getting ready every day and it makes it really easy. I actually have never had a walk-in closet until we moved to the house that we live in currently. So I use this rolling rack more because I had to, but now I love using this rolling rack to help me visualize my inspiration for the start of a season. So I'm going to walk you through what's inspiring me right now for spring and kind of where my mind is and how I'm getting ready, and you'll kind of see what visually what aesthetics I'm into at the moment. So we'll go ahead and jump right in. So here I am starting to pull pieces from my closet and put together my rolling rack. I get lots of inspiration before I do this by looking at Pinterest and the different spring runway shows and kind of just looking actually at the pieces that are already in my closet and seeing what I can mix and match and how I can style things in new ways for this season. So I probably should have mentioned this before, but it's been a very long day. It's late right now, but this is what my rack looks like currently, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think I have all of the styles that are inspiring me from my closet right now. So let me walk you through a few of the key pieces. I have everything kind of by section here. So you'll see I have a lot of nautical inspiration at the moment with the stripes and the navy and red. I have a pastel section here. I mean, that's so spring, right? I have lots of black and white. You'll see that kind of throughout the year. For me, I love anything black and white, but especially for spring, I'm into black and white polka dots. And then I have a lace section too, because lace is definitely spring and a current trend. And then I have all of my tweed jackets. I've mentioned before that a tweed jacket and a pair of denim shorts is like my go-to outfit formula. It's just so easy, and that's what I absolutely love to wear for spring. And I love with tweed jackets, you can add, all of the fun pins and, just play around with all the accessories that you add onto the jacket. And I know flower pins are really popular right now, and I love the look of that with a tweed jacket. I have this one and this one too. I just love playing around with the different pins. Another accessory that I am super into at the moment are rain accessories. So like rain hats and rain boots. It doesn't rain like too often here, but April showers bring May flowers, right? So it's fun to play around with these accessories, and I love rain hats too. You can get like even just plain PVC ones off Amazon, and I just think they're so different. They're a fun way to accessorize. And then moving into, I'm still very into stripes. So I have my stripe section here. And then, of course, gingham for spring. Who doesn't love gingham? So I have lots of, red and black and white gingham shirts here. They're definitely a go-to. And then I'm sure you notice polka dots are really a huge trend or a huge print that I love. So I have a ton of polka dots. This one I recently thrifted at my local Goodwill, and then I just have a little ribbon here that I wear as a bow tie. And then sequins too, I love incorporating for spring. This is one of my favorite jackets to wear. I love how it's kind of Western inspired, but I also have a little floral pin that I added here to make it more spring. But this is such an easy way to layer. One of my favorite jackets at the moment is this. Actually, it's a vintage polka dot dress that I thrifted, but I wear it as a jacket, kind of as a layering piece. But I love the little pocket square here, and then I added a giant floral pin at the bottom. But this one is so much fun to layer. And I also add all of the accessories that I'm inspired by at the moment. So you'll see I have, a ton of pearls. I've got my straw bag that I've thrifted. I have this long ribbon that I love tying in a bow in my hair and just letting it run down my back like super long. So I have that. You'll also see, my favorite flower pearl belt, lots of gingham scarves. I also have polka dot scarf and my vintage nautical scarf here. And moving in more black and white inspo. And then I will take you through the accessories that are also inspiring me at the moment. This is a closer look of my accessory wall that I like to include when I'm putting together my rolling rack. You'll see lots of black and white accessories on here and all of my sailor hats. I'm loving chunky shoes right now. You'll see my handbags that I included. And then moving down here, I have all of my floral accessories, my floral choker and belt. I have these pearl fingerless gloves that I haven't worn recently from my closet that I definitely want to wear this season. I have a polka dot tie and of course my visors. I love to wear visors this time of year. I know you guys have seen this pink stripe one with the flower on it that I thrifted recently. And then I also have this sun hat that I just picked up. I love the long bow detail on the back, how the ribbon hangs down, and the stripe raffia. That's going to be so much fun to style. And then moving over here, I have some menswear hats and of course my rain hat. I'm loving rain accessories right now. And I have some more shoes that I've included at the bottom, like my glitter, almost rain boot style boots there. And then moving up to my rolling rack, I start off with my accessories. You'll see my pearls, my gingham scarves. I have some ribbons that I like to use in my hair or even as a belt. And then you'll see we move into my scarves. And my first section are some polka dot jackets and some sequin jackets there. I have lots of black and white tops. So you'll see lots of polka dot button downs, gingham, some stripe button downs. And I have my tweed jackets there. I love a good tweed jacket. Right now I'm really loving pink and yellow tweed. Oh, this is a tweed jacket. So I love having a floral detail on jackets right now. So this one I pinned a couple pins on there. I know you guys have also seen this one too. I've worn recently. I added my yellow tweed flower pin on this pink tweed jacket. I have my pastel section there. Pastels are definitely quintessential for spring. And then moving into my nautical stripe section in the very front. I also have some more black and white pieces that I'm going to incorporate into my rolling rack. And this yellow vest I recently thrifted, so I definitely want to wear that. You guys have seen this houndstooth blazer before, and I just added this crochet bag that I wanted to also incorporate into my looks for spring. So here I am showing you how easy it is for me to get dressed and pull looks from my rolling rack. All of these pieces you can easily pair back to a pair of jeans or some denim shorts, but it just makes it so quick, and I love mixing and matching the pieces on my rolling rack, and it's so easy to get inspired and create looks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to play around in your own wardrobe and have fun with your style. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at stylebylryder for more fashion content, and I will see you next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.